Good day everyone. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomprada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will create a factorial program using C# as our programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you very much for my new subscriber of my channel. And then for my followers and viewers, I am very thankful that you are always following my video tutorials here in my channel in YouTube. Rest assured that I will do my very best to provide you more video tutorials on computer programming on different programming languages. If you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. We are here in our Visual Studio. I'm using Visual Studio 2010 Express Edition, but the code that we are working will be applicable in a newer version of Visual Studio. So we go to File, select New Project, and then select Console Application and click the OK button. So we have already the basic template of C#, so the next step that we'll do is to write the code. So we will declare a series of variable int I equals 0, fact equals 1, number equals 0. So we are using integer as our data type here with the use of the keyword int. Console point right to new line, horizontal new \n, and then we copy this one, paste, \t factorial of a number in C#, the title of our program. Next, we will try to ask the user to give a number. Enter a number. Number equals int parse console point red line. Next, we are using for loop statement for I equals 1, I less than or equals to number semicolon I plus plus or increment by 1, begin fact equals fact asterisk by I, and then we'll copy this code and then we paste. We will display the result here. And then we have here the factorial of is wow. \t end of program. Console red key. Okay, we are done writing the code. Let us review the things that we have done before we run the code. Okay, so we have here, we declare a series of variables here, integer I, fac, number, and then we have here the title, factorial of a number in C#. Here we'll accept an input from the user, a number that will be stored in our variable number. Of course it is in integer format, and then we have data type, for loop statement that will compute the factorial value, and then we will display on the screen. So let us save, Ctrl S, run the code, enter a number, factorial of a number in C#, enter a number, let's say 5. The factorial of 5 is 120, end of the program. We have the right result. Another example, when we run again the code, let's say we can have 6. Factorial of number in C#, enter a number 6. The factorial of 6 is 720, end of the program. So we have done already writing the code, and then we execute the program and test. So this is the factorial of a number program in C#. Before we end this video tutorial, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you very much for watching, guys. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomprada says, until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.